Hey, it's Anne. I want to show you one of my cats, Freddy. He's really cute. I want to show you. Okay. Freddy, kitty. Up, up. Isn't he cute? So this is my room, my really messy room. I'm packing right now to go to New Mexico. I'm really excited. We're leaving tomorrow. So excited. So yeah. Okay, this is just like a little fun video I made because I'm like really bored right now. So yeah, this is stupidness. So if you're watching this and be like, oh my gosh, you're so boring, I don't blame you at all. Even I think it's boring. So yeah, bye.